We will be celebrating the World Sight Day this year, as always, on the second Thursday of October. It falls on 14th of October, and the World Health Organization and the International Association of Prevention of Blindness has given the theme of 2021 as Love Your Eyes. Globally, almost 1 billion people have vision impairment that can be prevented or addressed. The reasons of this vary from cataract, glaucoma to refractive errors. Now, these impairments can be treated or prevented if proper care is taken. So this year, WHO has put the theme as Love Your Eyes. The essence of Love Your Eyes is 4 P's. That is, to prevent sight loss, to protect, preserve and prioritize vision. How to prevent sight loss? We can prevent sight loss by eating a healthy, balanced diet and to cut down on various activities like smoking, drinking, maintaining a healthy weight, and maintaining a proper blood sugar and blood pressure, and also cholesterol levels. How can we protect our vision? Protection of vision is most important. We can use protective eyewear. We can be careful about choosing our cosmetics, and we have to work in a body friendly way. Protective eyewear we have to use wherever we have apprehension of a occupational hazard like protective glasses, or ultraviolet rays have to be avoided in case of the workplace. Cosmetics have to be chosen carefully and to be washed thoroughly after use. In a body friendly way, we have to remember something called the 20-20-20, the rule, wherein the most important thing which is troubling people nowadays is the computer vision syndrome or the digital eye strain, wherein people have been overworked with screen time and they are coming to various OPDs and clinics with various eye problems. So the 20-20-20 rule means that after 20 minutes we have to look at a distance of 20 feet any object for a period of 20 seconds. This will relieve us from the digital eye strain. Third part of the P is the preservation of the vision. How do we preserve our vision? That is by a regular and comprehensive eye examination, which includes the check of vision and eye health, especially the retina, by putting dilating eye drops. In the last P, we have to prioritize our approach to eye care and how to love our eyes. We have to have a routine medical examination, and every 2 years we have to have our eye checkup done. Besides that, the following categories of people need an annual eye checkup, especially if you are aged 40 or above, if there is a family history of glaucoma or any other eye disease, if you suffer from diabetes or hypertension, if you have a history of chronic smoking, if you are already wearing spectacles or you have got a high power spectacles, or people in the family are wearing high power spectacles, and there are certain red flags, that is the warning signs, which you should not ignore, especially when you see sudden flashes of light, there is sudden blurring of vision, there is sudden pain and redness, and you see colored rings, that is halos around the light. These few red flags we should not ignore, and we have to have an eye checkup done immediately. There are some very essential eye care tips for children who are the main future citizens of any country or globe. The eye care tips are usually the same as those for adults, but they should grow up with healthy habits and healthy eyes. So every child should undergo a school health checkup. The 9 signs that your child can have a vision problem, that you should suspect a vision problem in a child. If the child has been born preterm, that means he is born before the completion of pregnancy or gestational age, he is at a high risk of developing vision issues. Children with developmental issues or developmental delays or scholastic problems, children of parents or siblings with eye diseases, children who are constantly squeezing and rubbing their eyes, children who have been noticed to go closer to the television to view the screen, children who have got constant redness and itching, children who are seen to have a abnormal head position, children who are seen to have eyeball drifting inwards or outwards. So in the end, I would like to tell that the World Health Assembly and the member states have targeted that at least 30% of the people with eye diseases like refractive errors and 40% of people with cataract are to be covered by the year 2030. So in the end, I would reiterate to love your eyes, have a healthy eyesight and go for regular eye checkups.